Hi everyone, today I'm presenting my culture, Indian culture. India's history and culture is ancient and dynamic, spanning back to the beginning of human civilization. The history of India begins with the birth of the Indus Valley civilization. It is in the Vedic period that Hinduism first arose. This is the time to which the Vedas are dated. In the 5th century, large parts of India were united under Ashoka. He also converted to Buddhism, and it is in his reign that Buddhism spread to other parts of Asia. It is in the reign of the Mauryas that Hinduism took the shape that fundamentally informs the religion down to the present day. Indian culture. Indian culture is a heritage of social norms, ethical values, traditional customs, and technologies that associated and originated with Indian subcontinent. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Indian culture is a combination of several cultures which spans across the Indian subcontinent and shaped by a history that is 1,000 years old. Indian culture is mainly influenced by religions Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. One of the most popular Indian greetings is Namaste, sometimes called Namaskar. A joint family in India is where the entire family all live together, which can include parents, wife, children, and occasionally relatives. Arranged marriage is still a strong tradition in India. India is a land where people from different religions coexist harmoniously. 79.8% of the population worship Hinduism, 14.2% Islam, 2.3% Christianity, 1.7% Sikhism, 0.7% Buddhism, and 0.4% Jainism. Festivals of India. India is a country full of vibrant holidays and festivals. Diwali is known as a festival of lights and is the biggest festival of the year, which takes place in October. Holi is a festival that takes place in March and is a festival of colors. Navaratri is a festival that takes place in the honor of the goddess Durga. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated as the biggest Muslim festival in India. Onam is a harvest festival that takes place in August. Languages. Languages in India are as diverse as its culture and religion. While Hindi is the most prominent language in the country with over 422 million speakers, it is not the national language as no language in India enjoys such a status according to the Constitution of India. Hindi is mainly spoken in northern and central India and is one of the 2 languages used by the government. Modern India, as per the 1961 count, has more than 1652 mother tongues genetically belonging to 5 different language families. The 8th schedule of the Constitution consists of the following 22 languages: Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Bodo, Santali, Maithili, and Dogri. Food. Indian eating pattern can be very heart-healthy because it is high in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, beans, lentils, raw, unsalted nuts, liquid, vegetable oils, and spices. The famous Indian foods are aloo gobi, which is crisp golden potatoes and cauliflower, butter chicken, chana masala, chickpea stew, palak paneer, which is spinach curry with fresh cheese, doi, butter brush naan, which is a popular Indian baked flatbread, chicken tikka masala, which is chicken in a creamy masala sauce. Lamb vindaloo is a quick and easy spicy curry featuring meat marinated in a tangy vinegar sauce. Pakora is a fried snack typically featuring cauliflower or potato coated in a light batter. Sports. Sports have always been an important part of the country's entertainment and culture. People are passionate about sports in India. While hockey is officially the national game of India, cricket is highly revered and deeply connected with the heart of sports fans. Apart from cricket and hockey, there are several other sports like football, badminton, tennis, wrestling, chess, etc. that are popular among sports enthusiasts. Also, there are some traditional sports and games played in rural India like kabaddi, kho-kho, kite flying, and more. Apart from these sports, other sports have earned international acclaim, including wrestling, badminton, chess, etc. Some of the most adventurous and exciting activities like kayaking in rivers, mountaineering, skiing, paragliding, bungee jumping, and trekking are also popular amongst adventure enthusiasts.